today let's start with chapter number 14, some great visionaries and leaders. So in this chapter, we will study about some great leaders and social reformers. So let's begin about some religious teachers. So we can say that Hinduism is one of the oldest religions in the world. Vedas and Purans, they are the earliest holy books of the Hindus. Epics में आपके रामायण और महाभारत आ जाती है, जो लॉर्ड राम और लॉर्ड कृष्ण के बारे में बात करते हैं. So many great religious thinkers were born in India, like Adi Shankaracharya, Dayanand Saraswati, Swami Vivekananda. They propagated the concept of Hinduism. So Gautam Buddha was the founder of Buddhism and Jainism was spread by Lord Mahavira. They are the people उन्होंने लोगों से कहा simple life जियो, kind life जियो, honest life जियो. Right? So Jesus Christ feels the love for all humankind. His teaching and Holy Bible is the sacred book. Saint Thomas spread Christianity in India. So we can say that Prophet Muhammad, eminent figure of Islam, message of Prophet was Allah, God in one. Prophet is considered Allah message, right? So followers of Islam offers 5 times a day. The observes fast during the month of Ramadan. Quran is the holy book of Muslims. Donation to the poor or needy people is given here. Right? Guru Nanak, founder of Sikhism. ये follow करते हैं Sikhism को, and who follows Sikhism? That is Sikh. They believe in one God. We also asked his follower to help poor and needy by dominating elements. Guru Granth Sahib or Adi Granth, they are the holy book of Sikh, and it has hymns in praise of God. Right? Zarathustra was the founder of Parsi religion. He also emphasizes one God and deeds and helping one another. जो holy book है Parsi की, वो क्या है आपकी जैन अवस्था. Let's talk about the social reformer जो क्या लेके आए, positive change लेके आए हैं society. Right? Like Sant Kabir, one of the greatest saint poet in India. They tried to remove difference. ये difference remove करा जाता है between the people of different religion. He preached that the people of all religion and caste are equal. He spread the message of love and brotherhood among through his bhajans and duvas. Raja Ram Mohan Roy wrote many articles and make people aware of social evils. Right? They stopped the practice of child marriage, sati pratha, and untouchability. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Islamic thinker थे, author थे और एक social reformer भी थे. He felt that education was important if you want to improve the condition of poor and backward classes of India. इन्होंने school set up करे, and Muhammad Anglo Oriental College in अलीगढ़, जो आपका present day, जिसको हम अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी कहते हैं. Right? Then we have Mohanchand Karamchand Das Gandhi. He believed that non-violence. भाई उनको ये लगता था कि आपको सत्याग्रह वाला principle follow करना है. He was a great political and social leader who led Indian masses in freedom struggle. He preached against caste system and untouchability. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, it is a great political. Now Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is a great political leader and scholar. He regarded as father of Indian Constitution. He spent his entire life fighting against the discrimination. Then we have some great scientists. The system of science such as astronomy, mathematician, medicine, are well developed. The kings and rulers in ancient times were also encouraged. An Ayurvedic system of medicines was developed in ancient India. ये बहुत ज़्यादा popular है, especially in villages. और जो Mughal emperor है, they introduced Unani system of medicines in our country. So even in modern age, some well-known scientists जैसे आपके जगदीश चंद्र बोस, सर C.V. Raman, Homi J. Bhabha, Vikram Sarabhai, S. Chandrasekhar, S. Ramanujan, APJ Abdul Kalam, they all contributed in different field of science. Homi J. Bhabha is the father of atomic energy program in our country. Right, this is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we'll meet in next class. That's all for today. Thank you.